Good morning, children. Third lesson, animals, how life goes on. That lesson, question answers. Yesterday, short question answers completed. No, so now you have to start the long question answers. Okay. Answer these questions. Yesterday we completed 5 short answers. What are the 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly? Okay, that completed. Next, answer these questions. What are the different ways by which animals reproduce? That is the question. E-bit. E-bit question answers. Okay. First question. What are the different ways by which animals reproduce? Which animals reproduce? Answer. Animals reproduce in 2 different ways. Animals reproduce in 2 different ways. Two different ways. Okay, 2 different ways. Some give birth to young ones. Some give birth to young ones. Like cows, dogs and also humans. Okay. Like cows, dogs and also humans. Some animals lay eggs. Some animals lay eggs. For example, frogs, hens and snakes. Frogs, hens and snakes. Later, young ones hatch out from these eggs. Later, young ones hatch out from these eggs. Hatch out from these eggs. Understand, children? See here. What are the different ways by which animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in 2 different ways. Some give birth to young ones like cows, dogs and human beings. Okay, we have to give birth to our young ones. So, some animals lay eggs. Okay, for example, frogs, hens, snakes, they lay eggs. After later, young ones hatch out from these eggs. Okay, small babies come out of from these eggs. Oh, next. Second question. A frog, how do animals take care of their young ones? How do mammals? How do mammals take care of their young ones? How do mammals take care of their young ones. Mammals. Okay. How do mammals take care of their young ones? The mother feeds the babies and protects them from enemies. The mother also teaches them to find food and live on their own. Okay? Write down. The mother feeds the babies. The mother feeds the babies and protects them from enemies. Protects them from enemies. The mother also teaches them to find food and live on their own How do mammals take care of their young ones? The mother feeds the babies and protects them from enemies. So, they can feed food from their babies and protect them from enemies. And the mother also teaches them how to find food and how to live their own. They can grow some days, they can grow some years, some months after, they can leave their babies. They can leave their own. The babies only they can leave. So that's why the mother left it and went another place. Mother, like that only have in mammals. Next. For examples, in our house surroundings also, when we are observing the dogs, cats, means we will understand very well. They can nourish their babies some days only. After they grow well, after they can find their food own, means they can live away and they went away. The mother, cat or dog, like that only. So next third one, describe the life cycle of a cockroach. Third question. Describe the life cycle of a cockroach. Answer. A cockroach has 3 stages. A cockroach has 3 stages. In its life cycle. Egg, nymph and adult. Egg, nymph and adult. Egg, nymph and adult. The baby insect which comes out of the egg is called nymph. The baby insect comes out of the egg, which comes out of the egg is called nymph. A nymph. After molting many times, it changes to an adult. It changes to an adult. Okay. Better to draw this picture. Okay. Downside, this picture you have to draw after completing this answer. Clearly, we will explain that. A cockroach has 3 stages in its life cycle. Okay. Egg, nymph and adult. The baby insect which comes out of the egg is called nymph. After molting many times, it changes into an adult. Okay. I hope you understand, children. So today enough. Tomorrow we will continue think and answer. Down you have to draw that diagram. Okay. Egg, nymph and adult. Okay. Life cycle of a cockroach. You have to draw like this. See in your textbook and draw like. Okay. Next you have to take homework. Learn and write third lesson. Okay. 3 only have no. Tomorrow we will write think and answer. E-bit question answers.